Okay, so it's Monday morning, and all I'm doing is I'm doing my normal workout, but I'm also trying out this. I'm also trying out this new microphone by Mackie. Uh, going into the GoPro Media Mod, and trying to see if that's going to better my audio. Hopefully it does. I really like Mackie products, but I don't know. We just got to try it out, see how it works. The microphone, I actually have it right here. Might be a bad spot for it, but that's the only spot right now that I can think of to put it at until I find a better option. So I'm gonna try this. Hopefully my voice don't sound too muffled with the with my gator around my mouth. But we'll see. I'm going uphill right now, so I'm gonna let the video record. I'll turn it off here and then I'll turn it right back on when I'm coming downhill. Yeah, see, now we're going downhill. Let's see how it does against the wind. Remember that microphone's right here. Yeah, let's just see how it does. Hopefully it'll still pick up my voice. I'm just trying to talk normal without actually raising my voice. I'm just trying to talk like I normally do, and see if I'm gonna have to make any adjustments, especially when I'm going against the wind like this. All right, I know for sure I know for sure my voice should come out a little better here because I'm going uphill, so I'm really not going against any wind. I may pick up a lot of road noise from the street going through the tires, but I don't think that's something I can avoid. And actually I kind of like that. I don't want it quiet. I don't want it too quiet, I don't know if you can see it on the side of the camera, but every time there's a car coming up behind me, there's a little line that comes up through here, and it gives me a warning. Then the little car icon shows up, and it just is pulling up closer and closer to me. Once it passes me, the line turns green. The little car icon goes away. Pretty cool. Okay, I'm still climbing uphill. This is all uphill right here. All right, so I'm on a stretch of road that it's actually kind of going downhill, so it allows me to pick up my speed, and not that that matters right now or at any time. It's just that I'm trying to test out this microphone with wind noise, and that's what I'm looking for right now. And quite a bit of bumps, so let's hope it can it does a good job of it. I gotta secure my GoPro a little bit more. It's wanting to work its way out of alignment towards me, so I'm gonna stop and align it or tighten it up a bit, then I'll get back going again. Hopefully the wind is not getting picked up too much on this microphone, but we'll see. Okay, here we go. I tightened it a little bit more. Hopefully that'll hold it in position a little better. And okay, so now I'm going back uphill, and obviously just the ambient sounds of everything around me. So we're also testing it out for that. So we'll keep on going, and let's see how it does. If it does the job for me, and that's what I actually bought it for, I'll kind of give you a brief basic description of it. Nobody's paying me for this stuff right here. I bought it myself. It's right here. I got the transmitters up here on my helmet, and the receiver's right here on my handlebars. And it's a clip mount on the belt, but it's also designed so you can put it on that hot shoe of your camera or your media mod in this case. But I don't want it there because I don't want to lose the darn thing. And I just put it on the handlebars. It's out of my way, out of sight, out of mind. But I can still get to the buttons and control the on and off, or whatever I need to do to it. You know, it's just right there. My main concern was not that. My main concern was, how's the audio going to sound when I'm riding my bicycle? I know indoors I'm not going to have a problem. It's outside. And no, it does not. The Mackie does not come with wind cancellation. But what I have discovered is that for some reason, when I do plug it in, and I haven't even tried it on another microphone, but when I do plug it in, the media mod option to select wind noise or not wind noise it takes it away. I don't know why. And probably something I need to call GoPro about and just ask them. But anyway, here we go through the Okay, so we're really fixing to pick up some speed here, and let's see how well this does. It's a lot of wind noise. I know because I can hear it on my ears. Yeah. It's a lot of wind, but hopefully the microphone is picking my voice up pretty good. We'll find out when I get home. I am on the last part of my ride here for today. I haven't gone very far. It's only 9.5 miles. By the time I finish, probably going to be 11 or 12 miles. But short day today. But anyway, I'm gonna go see how this how my setup worked. See if this microphone did its job, and the Mackie wireless system worked just fine. I'm a big fan of Mackie, and they make great audio equipment and speakers for the musicians, and I'm hoping that this will work for me here. This is a name that I know and I've trusted, so hopefully it'll work. If not, of course, I'll be disappointed. But we'll see. Anyway, I'll capture these last part of my ride, and then I'll shut it down. All right, thank you. Thank you for watching, everybody.